नरंश्चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये वेदे रामायणेश्चैव पुराणे भारते तथा आद्यौ चन्ते च मध्ये च हरि सर्वत्र गीयते मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपास्तमं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदिनतारिणे परमानन्दमाधवं परमानंद ही माधव पदुंगलुचि मकरंद से मकरंद पान करी आनंदे बोलो हरि हरि हरिंक नामे बंदगला परि करिबे चकारला से चकारलांक पयरी मनम रहो निरंतरे मनमो निरंतरे रहो हा कृष्ण बोली बजाओ हा कृष्ण बोली जाओ जीव मत उद्धर धर्म प्रज्जीत गैतवत्रो परम निर्मसरां सतां वेद्यं वास्तव मात्र वस्तु शिवदम तापत्रयमूलनम श्रीमद्भागवती महामुनिकृति किंबा परिरीश्वर सद्य हृदय वरुद्य तेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिः तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरुललितं फलं शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुरहो रसिका भुविभावुका अनर्थोपशमं साक्षात् भक्तियोगं अदक्ष्यते लोकस्य जानतो विद्वं सुक्री सत्तद संहिता यस्यां वैश्रूयमाणायां कृष्णे परमपुरुषे भक्तिरुत्पद्यते पुंस शोकमोहो भयापहा श्रीमद्भागवतं पुराणममलं यद्वैष्णवानां प्रियं यस्मिन् पारमहंसमेकममलं ज्ञानं परं गीयते तत्र ज्ञानो विराग भक्ति सहित नैष्कर्म्य महाविष्कृतं तत्शृणन् सुपठन् विचारण परो भक्त्या विमुच्ये नरो अर्थोऽयं ब्रह्मसूत्राणां भारतार्थो विनिर्णयो गायत्री भाष्यरूपसु वेदार्थो परिबृंहितो सर्ववेदेतिहासानं सारं सारं समुद्धृतं सर्ववेदान्तसारं हि श्रीमद्भागवतं इष्यति तद्रसामततत्त्वस्य नान्यत्र सदृति क्वचित् कृष्ण भक्ति रस स्वरूप श्री भागवत ताते वेद शास्त्र হইতে परम महत्व चारि वेद उपनिषदे যত কিছু হয় তার অর্থ লইয়া ব্যাস করিল সঞ্চয় যেই সূত্রে যেই রূপ বিষয় বচন ভাগবতে সেই রূপ শ্লোক নিবন্ধন জীবের নিস্তার লাগি সূত্র কইল ব্যাস মায়াবাদী ভাষ্য শুনিলে হয় সর্বনাশ যাও ভাগবত পড়ো বৈষ্ণবের স্থানে एकांत आश्रय करो चैतन्य चरणे भागवत जेना माने से जवन सम तार शास्त्रा छे जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु जम श्रीमद्भागवतम is the essence of all Vedic literature last contribution of Srila Vyasdev Srila Vyasdev has compiled Vedanta Sutra जीवेर निस्तार लागे सूत्र कइल व्यास मायावादी भाष्य सुनिले होय सर्वनाश And Srimad Bhagavatam is the natural commentary on Vedanta Sutra. So, Mayavadis, they don't accept it. And propounder of Mayavad philosophy, Shankaracharya, he compiled a commentary on Vedanta Sutra, that is the imaginative commentary, is known as Saririka Bhashya. Mahaprabhu, Sriman Mahaprabhu has given us caution not to go Mayavadis and not to hear from them. Mayavadi Bhashya Sunile hoy sarvanas. If you hear from Mayavadis, your bhakti bruti will be completely doomed, finished. So jao bhagavata podo Vaishnava rasthane, ekanta ashraya karo chaitanya charane. Go and approach a Vaishnava who is an embodiment of Bhagavata. is भक्त भागवत दुई स्थाने भागवतेर नाम सुना जाए एक ग्रंथ भागवत और एक भक्त भागवत दुई भागवत द्वारा दिया प्रेम रस से प्रेमे आपने होय बस Mahaprabhu says this thing and it is mentioned in Chaitanya Bhagavata, Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur has said, in two places you'll hear the name Bhagavata. One is Grantha Bhagavata. This is Grantha, do you understand my language? Huh? Grantha Bhagavata. And another Bhakta Bhagavata, devotee Bhagavata. He is an embodiment of Bhagavata. Dui Bhagavata dwara diya bhakti rasa, sei bhakti rasa apne preme hoye basa. Through these two Bhagavatas, Grantha Bhagavata and Bhakta Bhagavata, Krishna gives bhakti rasa. And Krishna bhakti rasa swarup, Sri Bhagavato. This Srimad Bhagavata is the mellow of Krishna bhakti. Nigama kalpatar galitam phalam sukha mukhadam tadava sanjutam. Pivata bhagavatam rasamalayam muraho rasika bhuvivaguka. This is the most ripened, sweetest, nectarian, juicy fruit of Vedic tree. Nigama kalpatar galitam phalam. Sukha mukhadam tadava sanjutam. Again it has come out from the lips of Sukadeva Goswami. So it has become much sweeter. Sukha literally parrot. And Sukadeva Goswami was parrot. Radharani is parrot. So it has come out from the lips of Sukadeva Goswami, so it has become much sweeter. There's only nectarian juicy fruit. The only juice is there. No seed inside, no skin over it. Such a juicy fruit is Srimad Bhagavatam. And you can taste it wherever you like, adye, madhye, antye. In the beginning, either in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. Only taste juice, nectarian juice, nothing else. So we invite we invite those devotees. Muhuraho rasika bhuvivavuka. Those who have developed taste for it. Those who have developed taste. We invite such. Come, muhu, again and again we call. Please come and taste it. This nectarian juice. That way. Because only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, jasyang vaisruyamanayang, krishni paramapurushe, bhakti rutpadyate punsa soka moho bhayapaha. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from the right source, from a Bhakta Bhagavata, devotee Bhagavata, who is an embodiment of Bhagavata, one will very easily develop this Krishna Bhakti, Prem Bhakti. Easily develops. Fifth Purusartha Prem Bhakti is easily developed. Then the development of that Prem Bhakti is all material fears, lamentations, delusions will be completely destroyed forever. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavata Sravanam. How many types of Sravanam is there, but Bhagavata Sravanam Sarvasreshtham. Best type of hearing is Srimad Bhagavata Sravanam. Hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Only by hearing. You may not do any other sadhana. If you daily hear Nityo Bhagavata Sevaya, is daily activity. Daily activities. As your daily activities is sleeping, eating, sleeping, defending, mating, the materialistic person do also. Similarly, Vaishnavas. This daily activity is Nityo Bhagavata Sevaya. Jao Bhagavata Pada Vaishnava-rasthani. Ekantasra Guru Chaitanya. Go and approach a Bhakta Bhagavata. Don't go to a Mayavadi and hear their commentary. Bhakta Bhagavata, Vaishnava Bhagavata completely takes shelter at the lotus feet of Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives Prem Bhakti freely. That Prem Bhakti, Krishna becomes captured. Similarly, Bhagavata is understood. Krishna Tulya Bhagavata Vibhu Sarvasvai. Prati shloke prati ukhyari nanartha koi. You should not think this Bhagavata is mere book. It's Krishna Tulya Bhagavata. It's as good as Krishna. It's Krishna's Vani incarnation. Bhagavata Tulasi Gangayo Bhakta Jani Chaturdha Vigraho Krishna Icharisane. In this material world, there are 5 manifestations of Krishna. Bhagavata, Tulasi, Ganga, Bhakta. These four are manifestations of Krishna in this material world. So, in Bhagavata, only this Prem Bhakti Tattva, Bhakti Rasa, been given. They Bhagavata Sama, Kon Shastra Noy. No Shastra is as good as Bhagavata. Only Bhakti Rasa is there. Prem Bhakti. Prema Pumartha Mahan, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam, Tatradharana Para. Mahaprabhu's opinion. Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam, Prema Pumartha Mahan, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam. Opinion of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, who is the supreme authority. He says, it's spotless proof, Srimad Bhagavata, Prem Bhakti Tattva has been said, and we accept it. Bhagavata jena mane se javana sama. Tar sasta che janme janme Prabhu jama. And who doesn't accept Srimad Bhagavatam, doesn't accept the teachings, conclusions given in Srimad Bhagavatam, is mlecha and javan. He is to be punished by Jamaraj life after life. We accept Srimad Bhagavatam and we take shelter. As we take shelter into the lotus feet of Krishna, similarly we take shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam. Sadhu Shastra, Krupaye Jadi, Krishnanmukha hoy, se jiva toroy maya tahake chhade. As Sadhu has Krupa, Sadhu has mercy, similarly Grantha, especially Bhagavata has mercy. It has mercy. Sadhu Shastra Krupa. One should get mercy from Sadhu and Shastra also. My Guru Maharaj says, distribute this book. You understand? If someone takes this book and keeps it in his house, may not turn over the pages, still he gets mercy. Still he gets mercy. Because it's Krishna, as good as Krishna. You understand? Sadhu Shastra Krupaye, Jodi Krishnanmukha hoy, se jiva toroy maya tahake chhade. If some jiva is fortunate enough, gets mercy from Sadhu and Shastra, it develops Krishna consciousness. Krishna Mukha. It develops Krishna consciousness. And he is free. He will be free from the clutches of Maya and go back to Godhead. So he's delivered. My Guru Maharaj therefore stressed upon it. That go, distribute these books. These books, Srimad Bhagavatam. Do you understand? This is Krishna. And someone takes it, keeps it in his house, he gets mercy. Time will come. Either he may turn over the page or his son may turn. Anyhow, get mercy. That is what. So therefore we have this program daily, this Bhagavata part, Shravan. You understand? Hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Because only by hearing, from right source one will very easily develop Krishna Bhakti. All right, come to the text. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, second canto, chapter 5, text 3. Sarvam hi etad bhavan veda bhutam avyabhavat prabho karamalakavad vishwam vijnana vasitam tava sarvam hi etad bhavan veda Bhuta bhavya bhavad prabho Karamalakavad vishwam Vijnana vasitam tava Prabham hetad bhavan veda Bhuta bhavya bhavad prabho Karamalakavad vishwam Vijnana vasitam tava. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. My dear father, all this is known to you scientifically because whatever was created in the past, whatever will be created in the future, or whatever is being created at present, as well as everything within the universe is within your grip, just like a walnut. Please repeat translation. My dear Father, all this is known to you. All this is known to you scientifically. Because whatever was created in the past, whatever will be created in future, or whatever is being created at present, as well as everything within the universe, is within your grip, just like a walnut. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Brahma is the direct creator of the manifested universe and everything within the universe. He therefore knows what happened in the past, what will happen in the future, what is happening at present. Three principal terms, namely the living being, phenomenal world, and the controller, are all in continuous action, past, present, and future, and the direct manager is supposed to know everything of such actions and reactions as one knows about a walnut within the grip of one's palm. The direct manufacturer of a particular thing is supposed to know how he learned the art of manufacturing, where he got the ingredients, how he set it up, and how the products in the manufacturing process are being turned out. Because Brahma is the first-born living being, naturally he is supposed to know everything about creative functions. This inquiry of Narada Muni. Narada Muni inquires. His father, all these things to understand. And Brahma knows everything. And Narada Muni says that, my dear father, all this is known to you scientifically because whatever was created in the past, whatever will be created in the future, whatever is being created at present, as well as everything within the universe is within a grip, just like a walnut. How is it that Brahma knows everything? Is Brahma all-knowing? Yes, Maharaj. Is Brahma all-knowing person? And how does he know it? Do you understand? Yes, general, a layman, do you understand, says so. Narada Muni is acting like a layman, so he says like that. It's for our benefit. If there is no such inquiry from the right source who knows everything, how will it come to us? Do you understand? So Narada Muni is inquiring, and Brahma will answer. In this chapter you'll find Brahma say, Nanrutam tava tatchapi yathamam prabrabhisivo abhigyaya paramattah etavatung jato hi me. Whatever you have spoken about me is not false, because unless and until one is aware of the personality of Godhead, who is the ultimate truth beyond me, one is sure to be loosened by absorbing my powerful activities. You understand? Brahma will say. Brahma says this. Until one is aware of the personality of Godhead, who is the ultimate truth beyond me. I am not ultimate truth. The ultimate truth beyond me is Supreme Personality of Godhead, is Krishna, is Advaya Tattva, the absolute truth. Then one is sure to be loosened by absorbing my powerful activities. One who knows him, this absolute truth, he will not be loosened. Adya Jnana Tattva Braji Brajendra Kumar. Brajendra Kumar, the son of Nanda Maharaj, is Adya Jnana Tattva, is absolute truth. Absolute truth means one without second. And he is to be known. He is to be understood. One who knows that Advaya Tattva, absolute truth, he knows everything. He knows everything. Brahma knows that absolute truth. So Brahma knows everything. Jasmin Vijnate Sarvam Eva Vijnatum Bhavati. Isn't it, Maharaj? Jasmin Vijnate Sarvam Eva Vijnatum Bhavati. Knowing whom, everything is known. Isn't it? Knowing whom? Knowing that absolute truth. Do you understand? Brajendra Kumara, the son of Nanda Maharaj, everything is understood. Because Krishna is everything. He is the source of knowledge. And Brahma gets that knowledge from him, first created being. Brahma is first created being. He gets that knowledge from. When Brahma was created, no living beings were created. Do you understand? So Brahma was imparted this knowledge, this truth, Tattva Vijnana, by Krishna. Do you understand? And Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru. Krishna is the Guru, spiritual master of whole universe. Knowledge comes from him. This is discipline successor. So Brahma, the first created being, gets this knowledge from him. Then Narada Muni is inquiring, so Brahma will impart it. So that knowledge now comes to Narada. Narada to Vyasa, Vyasa to Madhva. In this way, this discipline succession. This is our succession parampara, Brahma Madhva Sampradaya. You understand? In this second canto, 9th chapter, you will find Jnanam Parama Guhyam Me Jad Vijnana Samannitam Saharasyam Tadangancha Gruhana Gaditam Maya Javanam Jathabhavo Jadrupo Gunakarmaka Tatheva Tattva Vijnanamastute Madanugrat. One should know that absolute truth, Advaya Tattva. Jasmin Vijnate Sarvam Eva Vijnatum Bhavati. And knowing whom everything is to be known. Do you understand? So, Supreme Lord says this thing and imparts this knowledge. Tatheva Tattva Vijnanamastute Madanugrahat. How can one understand Krishna? How? Tell me. Yes. Madanugrahat. Here it says, O Brahma, by my mercy, Madanugrahat, Krishna says, by my mercy one can understand. ईश्वरेर कृपा लेस होयाछे जारे सेई से ईश्वर तत्व जानिबारे पारे चैतन्य चरितामृत ईश्वरेर कृपा लेस होयाछे जारे सेई से ईश्वर तत्व जाने. One was gotten some mercy from Lord. He knows Ishvara Tattva. Brahma gets it. You understand? Tathapi te devo padambujadayam prasada lesanu gruhita eva hi janati tattvam bhagavan mahimno na chasya tathanye chiram vijinnan. 10th canto. Isn't it, Maharaj? Tathapi te deva padambujadayam. Oh Lord, who has gotten mercy from your lotus feet? Padambujadaya. Janati tattvam bhagavan mahima. He knows the tattva. He knows your tattva, absolute truth. Janati tattvam bhagavan mahima. No chasya tathanye chiram vichina. Those who have not gotten mercy, if they go on speculating, thousands of lives, still they cannot understand. Do you understand? No, it's not a question of speculation. Your oral reception is required. Hearing process. Do you understand? The oral reception only is required. So our process is hearing process. Srautapantha, isn't it? It's Srautapantha, is hearing process. Those who don't hear, they are speculators, Mayavadis, impersonalists. They only speculate. One should not go to Mayavadi here from them. Mayavadi, Bhashya Sunile Hoy, Sarvanas. Therefore, here Krishna says, Jnanam paramaguhyam me jad vijnana samannitam. Saharasyam tadangancha gruhana gaditam maya. O Brahma, Bhagavat Swarupa, to understand me in Tattva and Sarasya Tadanga. The mystery is Prema Bhakti. Do you understand? This Rahasya. Mystery is Prema Bhakti. It is Parama Guhyam. It's very, very confidential. But Gaditam Maya, I say you hear. I say you hear. That is what. Gaditam Maya. Though it is very confidential, still Jnanam Vijnana Samannitam. This Jnana, this transcendental knowledge, and it should be equipped with Vijnana. Vijnana means realization. Prabhupada has given this translation. Realization, the Rahasya, the mystery, Prem Bhakti Tattva, and Tadanga, the necessary paraphernalia, these four things. You understand? These four tattvas, by my mercy, Madanugrahat, he says, Madanugrahat, by my mercy, Supreme Lord says, one can understand it. Without my mercy, nobody can understand this tattva. Do you understand? So, he says, Tatheva tattva vijnanamastu te madanugrahat. O Brahma, by my mercy, you understand it. Do you understand? Ahang evasam evagri nanyat jat sat asat parang. Paschadahang jat etat jovasishyati swasmina. Brahma is not an ordinary being. You understand? First created being, very elevated personality. Do you understand? He is empowered incarnation. Empowered. He is Gunavatara, at the same time, Satyavesha avatar. Empowered incarnation. He directly receives this knowledge, Tattva Vijnan, from Krishna, the supreme authority. And supreme authority, Krishna, only spoke 4 verses. Only 4 verses. That's known as Tatusloki Bhagavata. You will find this canto, 7th canto, that is 9th chapter, you will find it. You understand? 4 verses, he says. And within the 4 verses, all teachings are there. And Brahma could understand. You understand? Because Brahma is not ordinary being. You understand? He is empowered, incarnation. It's ahang evasam bagri nannajat asad parang. Paschadaham jadeta swavastishyati swasminam. O Brahma, before creation, there was nothing but I. There's nothing but I. Do you understand? I, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, was there. The cause of this cosmic manifestation, the material nature was also not there. Do you understand? Whatever you see now, that is also I. Do you understand? After complete annihilation, what will be there? That is I. Do you understand? That is I. Therefore, you should understand this. Itavadeva jigyasam tattva jigyasanaatmana annaya vedirekapyam jasya sarvatra sarvata. One should inquire about it. This is question of inquiry. Tattva jigyasa. Jivasya tattva jigyasa nartho jasya karma bhi. Kamasya nendrapidi labho jiveto javata. Jivasya tattva jigyasa nartho jasya karma bhi. First canto, Bhagavatam. Also Srimad Bhagavad Gita says, एवं जो व्यक्ति तत्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नयति स मांगेति अर्जुन जन्म कर्मं समे दिव्यं Evam joveti tattvatah tektva deham punarjanma nayati samangiti Arjuna. Fourth chapter Bhagavad Gita. My birth, my appearance, and my activities are not material. It's transcendental. One who knows it in tattva. Do you understand? In truth. Then after quitting this body, he'll go to me. He'll never come here again. No rebirth. Punarjanma na vidyate. Do you understand? That Janma karmam same divyang evam joveti tattva deham punarjanma nayati. There's no birth. No rebirth. One knows Krishna in tattva. Do you understand? That should be tattva jigya. Jivasya tattva jigyasa nartha dasya karmabhi. Kamasya nendra pritir labha jiveta javata. Jivasya tattva jigyasa nartha dasya karmabhi. When someone gets this rarely achieved human birth, his only activity is to inquire about it. Don't inquire about this material sense enjoyment. What inquiry is going on, isn't it? Huh? How many are inquiring about this absolute truth? Huh? And these four things, do you understand? That Krishna says, these four things, right? Jiva, Rahasya, Surpaplabdhi, Rahasya, Prem Bhakti. That's what is this? Four things. Yes. Jnana, Vijnana, Jiva, and Pradhan, Jnananga. Do you understand? These four things. This transcendental knowledge relating to Krishna, Isha Tattva, in other words, say Isha Tattva. Do you understand? Then Jiva Tattva. What's Jiva? Then Pradhana, Mahat Tattva. Do you understand? And Rahasya, that means is the mystery, is devotional service, Bhakti Tattva. Do you understand? These four things. Should we inquire? Jivasya tattva jigyasa nartha dasya karmabhi. When someone gets the really achieved human birth, he should inquire about it. Do you understand? That is, don't inquire about this material sense enjoyment. Labha jiveto javata. You should survive. For what purpose? For what purpose? Yes. Labha jiveto. First, Shreya Labha. There are two things, Shreya, Preya. Isn't Maharaj? Shreya, Preya. Do you understand my language? My language is faulty language. Please, help me. I need your help. Huh? Yes. And you should understand, if you are eager, if you are very eager to understand this, that supreme absolute truth, Krishna, or in his form of Mahaprabhu, will help you. Help you. Do you understand? This is what we say, Labha jiveto javata. You should survive for Shreya, for the attainment of Shreya. What is Shreya? They attain the supreme goal. That is Krishna. To understand Krishna. Do you understand? That is Shreya. That is the supreme perfection of a human birth. To understand Krishna in truth. Jo beti tattvataha. Tektva deham punarjanma nayati. Do you understand? Tektva deham punarjanma nayati samangeti Arjuna. After quitting this body, he'll go to me. He'll never take birth here again. Isn't Maharaj? One who has understood Krishna in tattva. No rebirth. Tadamang tattva gyantva visoti tadanantaram. Many places you'll find. Tadamang tattva gyantva visoti tadanantaram. After knowing me in tattva, one enters into my abode. Visoti means enters, isn't it? Nabhidanati tattena atasyavanti te. Isn't it? In Gita, many places you find stressed upon this tattva. Nabhidanati tattena atasyavanti. One who does not mean tattva will again and again fall down here, revolve in the cycle of birth and death. You understand? Yes. So one should understand Krishna in tattva. So there's tattva jignasa should be there, inquiry should be there. Unless you inquire, how can you understand? Huh? Unless you inquire, how can you understand? Jivasa tattva jignasa, narthadasya karmabhi. That's what said. This is the only activity, oh human being. I say, Mahajana say, when one gets human form, human body, human birth, he is in superior consciousness. Do you understand? 5 levels of consciousness are there. Abhruta Chetana, Sankuchita Chetana, Mukarita Chetana, Vikachita Chetana, Purna Vikachita Chetana. Isn't it? In Chaitanya Sikkhamrita Sula, Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, 5 levels. Covered consciousness, shrunken consciousness, budding consciousness, blossoming consciousness, completely blossoming consciousness. That's the highest level. That's completely Krishna consciousness. Complete Krishna consciousness. That level of consciousness you have to achieve. Do you understand? You have to achieve, you have to attain. You should elevate yourself. That highest level of consciousness is complete Krishna consciousness. Then you understand Krishna, the supreme truth. Human beings come under these 3 levels of consciousness. Do you understand? Budding consciousness, blossoming consciousness, and completely blossoming consciousness. Other species, other than human beings, they come under these 2 levels. Covered consciousness and shrunken consciousness. This tattva jnana cannot be imparted to them, only to the human beings. When we say jivasya tattva jignasa, it indicates human being, not the other species, other than human. They cannot inquire about it. They cannot understand it. But their consciousness is very, very low. Covered consciousness, shrunken consciousness. Only human being. Therefore, say, this is your activity. Jivasya tattva, you should inquire. All your activities should center around this tattva jignasa, this inquiry. You understand? And where will inquire? And who will answer? That's another question. You understand? Narada Muni now is inquiring. You understand? To Brahma, his father, because he knows. Was directly received this tattva jnana from Krishna, is the source. Isn't it? Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. Isn't it? Huh? Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. Gita says, this is the process. Tad vijnanam. Huh? Do you understand? One who is very eager to know this vijnana, this science, the science of self-realization, the science Isha Tattva, do you understand? Related, Tattva Vijnana, related to the Lord. He should approach the Vijnana, Gurung eva vigachet. So Gurung eva vigachet, Samitpani, Sutriyam, Brahmanishtam. He must approach eva vigachet. If you know Sanskrit, you can understand how this word is used. Eva vigachet. He must. This is compulsory. This is not optional. Do you understand? This is not optional. But one must go, must approach. Sat, tattvadrashta. One must see the truth. Do you understand? Adya jnana tattva Braji Brajendra Kumar. That absolute truth, Brajendra Kumar, son of Nanda Maharaj, is absolute. One has seen. Not one seen, always see. He sees always. Jahan netra pade, tahan dekho ye hamare. जहां नेत्र पड़ता, wherever he looks, he sees me. स्थावर जंगम देखी न देखे तार मूर्ति, सर्वत्र हुई तार इष्टदेव स्फूर्ति. Such a person. He sees moving and non-moving entities. स्थावर and jangam. But he never sees the outer body. Sarvatra is our Istadeva Spurti. Everywhere he sees his worshipable deity, Ishta. Whom? I, Krishna. Do you understand? Ishta is Krishna. Worshipable deity is Krishna. He sees Krishna everywhere. Thavar Jangon Dekhi, no Dekhitar, Sarvatra Huitar Istadeva. Such a person is seer of the truth, knower of the truth. Do you understand? One should approach such a person. Tad vijnanartham sagurung evavi gachet. Samitpani stotriyam brahmanishtam. This is Guru Tattva. Do you understand? Stotriyam brahmanishtam. Stotriya means who has heard, who comes in this hearing process. Atarjavana purusa veda. Upanishad says. Atarjavana purusa veda. Who knows this truth? Who knows this truth? Huh? Yes, Maharaj. Atarjavana Purusa. One was heard from Acharya. Do you understand? The Acharya Parampara begins here now. Do you understand? Krishna says, O Brahma, Gaditam Maya. Do you understand? I am imparting this Tattva Jnana you hear. Vijnana Samanitam Jnanam Srunu. Oh Brahma, you hear now from me. Do you understand? This transcendent knowledge is Vijnana. I am imparting you here. You should understand. You and I are not same. Same? Huh? You and I are not same. Gaditu Maya, therefore he said, as I am saying, you hear from me. Don't formulate. Don't speculate me. Your aural reception is only required. Only hearing. Do you understand? Don't formulate. Don't speculate me. Your aural reception is only required. That is what. Only hear from the right source. Do you understand? Javanam jathadhava jadrupa gunakarmaka. As I am, what is my swarup? What are my activities? What are my qualities? How can one understand? As I am, Madhanugrahat, by my mercy. Do you understand? That I said. Ishwara Kripale Soyazari, says the Ishwara Tattvadani Bariba. One has gotten the mercy of Ishwara Supreme Truth. He knows. As for example, give this example. Huh? How can one see sun? Yes? Bolo. Speak. How can one see sun? Huh? By the sunshine, by the help of sunshine. Do you understand? By the help of sunshine, one can see the sun. Well, at night when there is no sun, can anybody see sun or so sun by any means? Huh? No. He has to wait till sunrise. Sun rises, sunshine is there, then see the sun. Similarly, how can one understand this supreme truth, absolute truth? Only by his mercy. No other means is there. And how one gets this mercy? One gets this mercy by hearing process. Do you understand? Acharjavana Purusa Veda. One was heard from Acharya, comes under this hearing process. That thereby he gets mercy. Therefore, Krishna says this thing. Don't formulate, don't speculate me, your aural reception is only is required. One who is very, really eager, very intelligent person, really intelligent and wise, he must inquire about it. Because this inquiry, so many problems here. Political, social, economical, cultural, social, religious, moral. fields, isn't it? So many problems coming forward. We cannot solve it. You understand? Unless we know this supreme absolute truth. Knowing him, jasmin vijnate, sarvam eva vijnatam bhavati. Knowing whom, everything is known. You understand? Unless one knows that supreme truth, cannot solve these problems. Therefore, one is very eager, very curious, very inquisitive to solve these problems. He must inquire. Therefore, Vedanta Sutra has been compiled. Jiver Nishtar Lagi Sutra Koilo Vyas. Vyasdev compiled Vedanta Sutra and he gave the commentary. The natural commentary is Srimad Bhagavatam. And from Vedanta Sutra, first sutra is Adhato Brahma Jigyasa, isn't it? First sutra is first sutra. Adhato Brahma is inquiry. Inquiring about that Brahma. So, this Vedanta Sutra is compiled, and the natural commentary of Vedanta Sutra is Srimad Bhagavatam. So, Srimad Bhagavatam has given the answer to all inquiries. Do you understand? Given the answer. Srimad Bhagavatam gives the answer to all inquiries. Now, Narada Muni is inquiring. And Brahma will answer it because he has gotten it directly from Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the source. So this Srautapatha, this hearing process is most important process. Do you understand? Through this hearing, one gets mercy. Sudekita Patham. All are one who is very intelligent, wise, and they all say also, many say, even the atheists also say, oh, what is that? Is there God? Is there Supreme Lord? Really? Has anybody seen him? Yes. Has anybody seen him? Great leaders, political leaders. They say, I'm such a great leader. Do you understand? I have gotten, I have so many followers, some millions. I gotten vote. I am accepted by them. I have not seen God. Where is God? Yeah. Yes, sir. Israel? Is he there? Has anybody seen? He said. Do you understand? But how can he see? How can he know? How can he understand? He's a blind man. He's blind. Do you understand? But they also inquire thereby. Yes, where is God? Who is God? How is he? Who am I? This real inquiry. Tattva jigyasa. Do you understand? Mahadana dena gata sabantha. Mahadanas have shown us the path. Sadhu Mahadanas. And we have just followed their footprints. Do you understand? Sanatana Goswami, Mahajan. Sanatana Goswami is not an ordinary person. Do you understand? He is a great Pandit. He was proficient in many languages. Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian, many languages. He knows. Do you understand? Dear devotee of the Lord, dear devotee of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Do you understand? Who gave up everything. He was a minister. Do you understand? He had everything. Material opulence he had. Material scholarship learning he had. Do you understand? He was born in very aristocratic family. Do you understand? Janma, Aishwarya, Sruta, Sri, everything he had. But he gave up everything. Tyaktva turnam tuchavat. Asesa mandalapati. Asesa mandalapati, he was minister, chief minister, you see. Tyaktva turnam tuchavat kaupina kanthasrito. Give up everything. And put on kanthi kaupin. Kanthi Kopin. Do you understand? Bhutva Dina Ganesha go. Become Dina. Dina. Do you understand? Janmai Swarja Sudha Sri Viri Edhomana Vadapuman. Naivaratya Vidhatu Vaitam Akinchana Gocharam. Kunti Devi says. Unless one becomes Dina. Do you follow? Dina. What do you say in English, Maharaj? Very humble. Who had nothing material. Do you understand? Who is bereft of everything material. Penniless person. Do you understand? A penniless person. Dina. Otherwise, he cannot inquire about it. Do you understand? Janma Aishwarya Sutta Sriviri Edhomana Vadapuman Naivaratya Vidhatum Vaitam Akinchana Gocharam. Do you understand? To take birth in an aristocratic family, one was taken birth, he is very proud. One was material opulence, he is very proud. He has pride. One is a learned scholar, do you understand? Material learning, scholarship, he has achieved. He's gotten many degrees from many universities, MA, PhD, doctorate, like this. He is very proud, pride. Three was very good bodily figure. Do you understand? He is also very proud. Edhomana develop pride. Cannot become Dino. So how can he understand you, O Lord? How can he get your son, O Lord? No matter. Do you understand? One becomes Dino. Therefore, the Sanatana Goswami became Dino. Bhutva Dina Ganesha go Kopina Kantaspito. Bhutva Dina Ganesha go. Become Dina, put on Kopina and Kanti. Went to Vrindavan, lives in the jungle of Vrindavan. Eka Ratri, Eka Prikyodaya Sayana. Spends one night under one tree, not the same tree. So detached, Virakta, Vairagi. When he made Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu catching grass, straw, nail, teeth, tail, flat, and lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inquired, who am I? Ke ami? Kene more dare tapotroy? This is an inquiry. Who am I? Why have I been inflicted with these three tapos? Adhyatmika, Adhidaivika, Adhibhautika. Understood? That is inquiry. Jivasya tattva jigyasa, narthadasya karma bhi. This is tattva jigyasa. Mahadana Dena, Mahadana son, one must inquire. Now Narada Muni is inquiring. Because Narada Muni is Mahadana. Do you understand? This inquiry should be there. This is tattva jigyasa. Then, out of mercy, tadvidhi pranipatena, pariprasnena sevaya, upadekyanti te jnanam, jnanina tattvadarshina. This is the process. One should approach such a tattvadarshi. One was sent into the sphere of truth, knower of truth. Approach him with humble state of mind. Pranipata means completely surrender. Pinch him, wake him up. Wake him up. Wake him up. Come forward. Don't lean against that bar. Come forward. Come forward. Don't lean. What are you doing? Do you understand? This is offensive. Krishna Katha and Krishna is not different. Yes. You shouldn't commit offense. You should hear it. Concentrate attention is full faith. Because through this Katha, that Sabda Brahma descends, isn't it, Maharaj? By hearing from the right source, you'll get it. Otherwise, no other way. That we are discussing. It's hearing process. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. This is the process. One must approach such a seer of the truth, knower of the truth. and surrender and completely dedicate yourself. Sisvatehang sadhimang tvam prapannam. Huh? I become your sishya, your disciple. I accept your divine grace as my guru. Do you understand? Sadhimang. Sadhimang means inflict strict discipline on me. Then my heart will be cleansed of all material contaminant doubts. Then impart Tattva Gyan Sadhimang. Do you understand? Sadhimang. That is sadhi, inquiry. Pranipata, then pariprasna, then seva, pariprasna, seva. Serve that Tattvacharya, the seer of the truth, that Acharya, and announce, please him, then humbly inquire. Humbly inquire. Now Narada Muni is inquiring. This is Slotapantha. This is hearing process. Through this hearing process, by hearing, this Tattva descends. Sabda Brahman descends. If there will be no hearers, why it will be said? Huh? Yes, Maharaj. No hearers, why it will be said? The two things are equal. Srota, Bhakta. Speaker and hearer. Brahma is the first created being. The source is Krishna. He spoke. And Brahma heard. Do you understand? Brahma heard. Therefore it says, Aham Javanaham Adayam. O Brahma, I am saying, I say. You hear, hey, I first person. Isn't it? I first person. Te, you second person. Huh? Do you understand my language? I, Krishna is I. I am not I, you are not I, he is not I. I is he. I say. Huh? I first person. Te, you, Brahma, second person. First person says, second person, first person says to second person. Then third person, we are all third person hearing. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? You understand me? This is very, very tattva. Confidential tattva. First person says to second person, and we third persons here. It has come to us. Do you understand? Unless there is inquiry, how can one get it? Jivasa tattva jigyasa nartha jasya karma bhi. This is tattva jigyasa. In Bhagavad Sandarbha, Jiva Goswami has said, Ekameva tata parama tattvam swabhavika chintya saktya sarvadaiva swarupa tadrupa vaibhava jiva pradhana rupena chaturdha vastisthate. The same thing. There's four things. That means jiva, there is swarupa tadrupa vaibhava jiva pradhana. These four things, right? Lord says, Supreme Lord says to Brahma, yes, Jiva, Swarupa, what I am. Do you understand? My Swarupa, this means Isa Tattva, then Jiva, Jiva Tattva, then Pradhana, Mahat Tattva, this material, unmanifested material elements is Mahat, Pradhana. Then someone, they say, Rahasya, they say Bhakti Tattva. Do you understand? The four tattvas. One should inquire about this four tattvas. Jiva Goswami said the same thing. Swarupa Tadrupa Vaibhava Jiva Pradhana Rupena Chaturdha. The four. And supreme truth is Isa Tattva. All other tattvas are related to him. Do you understand? Are related to him. This is Samandha Tattva. Do you understand? Krishna is the Mukhya Samandha, Ekamatra Samandha. Krishna is the chief relationship and only relationship. And all other tattvas are related to him. Do you understand? When one knows the Mukhya, the chief relationship, Samandha Tattva, then other tattvas come up. It's come up. He'll inquire. And by hearing process, this tattva descends. This sustenance. Therefore, this is speaker, bhakta, and srota. There are speaker and hearers there. Otherwise, why speaking will be there? Do you understand? Why speaking? So, three things are there. Tatrvida tattva. These four tattvas are all Bhagavad tattva because they are all related to Bhagavad tattva, Isa tattva. This is Bhagavan, the manifestation of Lord Bhagavan. Three things. If there are no this drusya, drashta, drusya, darshana. The seer, drashta means seer, drusya means, what do you say, sight, the things to be seen, and darshana, the seeing or philosophy. Then what will be? If there is no seer, no sight or object, do you understand? To be seen and no seeing, darshana, then what will it be? What will it be? It will be nirvishesha, void, impersonalism. Do you understand? Who is seer? Who is seer? Krishna is the seer. Do you understand? He is drashta. Who is seen? We are seen. Drusya. Do you understand? Drusya. He is seer. We are not seer. This means conception is there. Jiva thinks, I be seer. No, you cannot be seer. He is seer. If he casts his merciful glance over you, then you can understand that merciful glance. If he sees you. Do you understand? If he sees you, how he sees. Do you understand? How this mercy comes, descends. This mercy comes, descends through his most intimate associate, devotee. Acharyavana, who is Acharya, who has heard from, who comes under this hearing process, is Guru. Do you understand? Krishna যদি কৃপা করেন কোন ভাগ্যবানে গুরু অন্তর্যামী রূপে শিখায় আপনে. Isn't it? If Krishna showers his mercy on some fortunate jiva, he teaches. Do you understand? This Kathopanishad says, Namatma pravatane labhyo no medhaya no bahuna sudena jamavisa brunti tena labhyas tasesatma vibrunute tanuswan. Isn't Maharaj? Kathopanishad says. Krishna is there in your heart as Paramatma. One who is very, very inquisitive. Do you understand? It's a question of inquiry. Tattva jigyasa. One should be very inquisitive. Chaturvidha vadante mang jana sukrutin arjuna. Arthi, artharthi, jigyasu, jnani cha bhartarsa. Isn't it? Out of them, jigyasu. Huh? Isn't Maharaj? Jigyasu means one who inquires. One is very eager to understand. How can I understand that supreme truth, absolute truth? Is inquirer, jigyasu. He must inquire. So he's eager, inquiring and praying to Lord, O Krishna. O Krishna. Here Brahma says, beyond me is that supreme truth, from whom I have received. Unless one knows him, then he'll be confused, thinking me the Almighty. I am not. Do you understand? I quoted that verse. It will come later on. So one must pray to Krishna, please help me. How can I understand you? I want to know you. The jigyasu. Then Krishna in the heart of Paramatma becomes awakened. Now he's inquiring. Do you understand? Namatma pravatan labhya no medhaya na bahunas jamaveisa brunute ten labhyas tasis atma vibrunute tanuswam. Then he assumes a body and appears without. That is Guru. The Guru is the bona fide representative of Paramatma. Unless he says, we cannot understand. The mercy comes in this way. by hearing from Guru, Tattvacharya. With concentrated attention, with submissive attitude, inquiry, seva, serving him, pleasing him. Do you understand? Then after mercy, he will impart Tattva Gyan. Then you can understand. So then you can understand this Tattva, four Tattvas. Otherwise, one cannot understand. Therefore, I say, Aham, first person, says to second person, Brahma, third person, we are hearing. Then this is received, and this is all about inquiry, Tattva Jigyasa. And one should understand Tattva Vastu. Then he can understand Brahma, Paramatma, and Bhagavan Tattva. Isn't it? What is Brahma? What is Paramatma? What is Bhagavan? And what is Jiva? Who am I? Huh? What is this cosmic manifestation? Susti? Do you understand? Everything will be revealed. Everything will be revealed. Otherwise, one cannot understand. So this inquiry should be there. Always there will be Jiva Sattva Jigyasa. Narthadasya. This is the only thing required of human beings. All your activities should center around this inquiry. An humble inquiry. At a Tattvacharya, go and approach a Tattvacharya, knows truth, who is the seer of the truth, who is knower of the truth, who has received the Tattva Gyan, a hearing from Acharya. Acharya, Parampara. Thank you. Any question? Yes, any question? Maharaj? All right. Vancha kalpatarvesya kripasam patsanam Prabhupada Ji Maharaj ki jai. Samaveta Bhakta Vrinda ki jai.